Bright Pearl Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Bright Pearl and related resources can be found in the description below. Bright Pearl is a retail operations platform that aims to simplify inventory management, order fulfillment, and financial reporting for e-commerce businesses, including those using a dropshipping model. By integrating seamlessly with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, Bright Pearl automates many critical back-office tasks so store owners can focus on growth. One of the core features is its centralized dashboard, where merchants can monitor real-time inventory levels, process orders, handle returns, and track finances across multiple sales channels. This is especially valuable for dropshippers juggling multiple suppliers and complex product lines, as it consolidates all data into one system for easier oversight. Another perk is the platform's workflow automation, which reduces manual input by routing orders to the right supplier or warehouse based on custom rules. In terms of strengths, Bright Pearl stands out for its robust accounting and reporting capabilities, giving dropshippers an accurate view of revenue, expenses, and profit margins at all times. The platform is designed to scale alongside your business, which is crucial for stores expecting rapid growth or seasonal spikes in orders. Additionally, Bright Pearl's strong suite of integrations allows users to expand into new marketplaces or shipping carriers without massive technical overhauls. Users often praise the responsive customer support and the availability of expert onboarding services, both of which can smooth out the learning curve. However, some weaknesses should be considered. The subscription fees can be a barrier for smaller sellers or newcomers. Bright Pearl's advanced toolset might be overkill if you don't process a high volume of orders or need extensive accounting features. Customizing the system to fit unique business processes can require time and expertise, so you'll need to be ready to invest effort upfront. Finally, while Bright Pearl's automation and reporting are top-notch, its front-end customization for product listings might be limited compared to certain specialized dropshipping apps. Overall, Bright Pearl is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking an all-in-one retail operations solution that combines inventory management, accounting, and workflow automation under one roof. If your business is scaling quickly and you need full visibility into every aspect of your operations, Bright Pearl can significantly streamline your back-end processes.